I love this weather. Hello, hi YouTube. My name is Amanda, and welcome to my first video. I realized that I'm not getting any younger, so this is something that I really wanted to try and to give my all. So here it is. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm not really sure what this channel will turn into, but I'm excited to show you a little glimpse into my life, a little bit about me. Well, I am turning 30 next week, and that is one of the reasons why I wanted to start this as a little journal. I think it'll be interesting to see my life in a few years and come back on these videos and see how much I grow and change. I'm the kind of person to want to do everything and want to try everything, and I feel like it's almost a good thing and a bad thing. I get a lot of experiences, but I feel like I'm never like the best at one specific thing. And that's another reason I wanted to start this channel, is to take you on these adventures of trying new and different things. Things that are fun, things that are scary, some mundane things. I decided to start recording this video in one of my favorite places, and that is a forest. So I wandered down the street from my apartment to this really beautiful forest and green space that I have available to me to record this video. I feel at home in the forest, and I hope one day to have a house in the forest. So I figured this would be a really great place to start. I love this weather. It's kind of cold today, but it's so sunny